shoveling shit, I just realised I missed that Wednesday. First time I missed it, but you know what? I've been busy shoveling shit. Now, it's been a year now since we've been up here, and so much has happened in this year. We've got donkeys, we've got chickens, we've got goats, we've got some new goats. 6 new goats.
You are what you eat, and you are what you eats, and you're even what you eats. Here's a clue, why don't you take a peek beneath your feet?
They're called copperneck goats, and they're like the black neck goats. They're typical for this kind of area. Now, they're not all purebred. Some of them are mixed, especially the young ones. They were mixed up on the Alps, because here in Switzerland a lot of the goats go up to the Alps over summer, and then they were mixed, so they're all mixed goats. None of them are purebred anymore. The young ones aren't. And Heidi, she's one for herself, but she's old enough to look after herself, so that's why we took her as well. Wow, I've had a load of adventures with the authorities. I'm learning so much so quickly. I mean, all year I've been learning constantly. It's a whole learning process over and over again. By the way, it's still only May, and yesterday it was 28 degrees in the sun. Beautiful weather. Talking of beautiful, my beautiful daughter, she passed her first riding exam.
Well, if you wanna know what you're made from, look at what you're made from's made from. Cause the stuff that we're all made from is the same. Yeah, we goes from dust to dust. You gotta just trust that upper crust and maintain that good terrain from whence you came.
So she's now on the first level of an official rider, which you can do here in Switzerland. What else have I got to tell you? Ooh, Sam Smiler. He's going to have his first concert down here in Wallis on the 3rd of June in the city of Visp. He's going to have a kids disco all day long. So all you kiddie artists, your music will be played. And then, what else we got? Oh yeah, our chickens are now allowed to be free range again, because the bird flu is now officially over here in Switzerland.
We've been looking up, we've been messing around, we've been freaking out, but it's time to get down, cause we're made up of common ground, can't live without it, and it's time to get down. When you flirt with the dirt, you'll observe it's certainly not inert.
So they are now officially doing their proper job, cleaning out the stables with me.
From a worm to a chicken bucket, you're never alone on the loam, and it's time to get to work. We've been looking up, we've been messing around, we've been freaking out, but it's time to get down, cause we're made up of common ground, can't live without it, and it's time to get down.
The only funny thing is, since the free range, because we stopped feeding them as such with just grain. They are now feeding themselves off the land. The eggs have turned out to be small, and not very many of them are laying at the moment. And it's like my favourite captain likes to say,
life is all about shoveling shit, my friend.
We've planted loads of seeds, we've planted loads of veg, we've changed the fences.
Looking up, we've been messing around, we've been freaking out, but it's time to get down, 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 'cause we're made up of common ground, can't live without it, and it's time to get down, down. We've been looking up, we've been messing around, we've been freaking out, but it's time to get down, 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 'cause we're made up of common ground, can't live without it, and it's time we just gotta get on down, 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 down.
And by the way, the field that I've planted my own mixture of grasses and sunflowers and hemp, that's growing nicely. And last but not least, as you can imagine, at the moment we're easily spending a lot more money than we actually can make. Because I mean, so many things need building, so many things need investing in. Yeah. So, here at this point in time, I'm going to ask you if there's any way you want to support us financially, or give us a donation, or become a member of Paradise Driester, or just invest in us, then you can find our IBAN number down in the description. I'm going to put it in there for anybody who would like to support us financially in any kind of way. And all I can say is thank you if you do. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. And thank you for just coming back every other week. And +1 this time. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. We are so thankful for you.
'Cause you are what you eat, and you are